Hello, it's Cam from Wrexham Volkswagen showing you today this approved used Volkswagen T-roc R-Line edition finished in black. This 2025 model comes with a 2-litre diesel TDI engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 18-inch Nevada black diamond-turned alloy wheels. There is around 445 litres of usable boot space capacity in this T-roc, with the floor mat being able to be raised or lowered depending on what you need to store in the boot. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the black leather and cloth seats with the grey contrasting centre stitching in it. There are ISOFIX points located on the seats, as well as a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders, and there is a rear climate control vent as well. Making our way up front, we find the continuation of the black interior with highlighting accents on the dash and door sills in the gloss black. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with the R-Line logo embossed onto the front, and there are side supports for additional comfort. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped flat-bottomed R-Line steering wheel, with controls on the left for the cruise control and volume, and on the right for the virtual cockpit and voice control. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layouts to best suit driver preference. This includes customizable side screens as well as main focus screens. The main touchscreen infotainment system does include radio with FM and DAB, as well as the ability to pair to Bluetooth. We can use hands-free telephone as well as satellite navigation, and you can pair Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the app section. Then when putting the car into reverse, it will bring up the rear view parking camera and sensors to help manoeuvre this slightly larger vehicle. The climate control panel is found on the centre of the dash, and this does include the heated seat options with 3 levels of power. Forward of the centre console, there is a place to store your phone with 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket, and then there are 2 exposed cup holders and a storage pocket in the armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this used Volkswagen T-roc R-Line edition. For any more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.